Thank you, sir. I'm Namra Suhail from Pakistan Television. Sir, India has granted approval for Dulhasti Stage 2 hydropower project on Chenab River in IIOJK, which is a clear violation of Indus Water Treaty. So what do you have to say about this matter? Thank you.
Yes, we have seen these media reports regarding Indian plans to construct Dulhasti State 2 hydroelectric project on the Chenab River. Obviously, these reports raise serious concerns, as no prior information or notification was shared with Pakistan with regard to this project. And sharing of this is mandated by the Indus Water Treaty of 1960. So such acts of commission and omission yet again exemplify a complete disregard of international law and of bilateral treaties. The Pakistani Commissioner for Indus Water has sought clarification from his counterpart in India regarding the nature, scope, and technical details of the reported projects. And he also wishes to ascertain whether it constitutes a new run of the river project, an alteration, or an additional work on an existing plant that may result in a material change or involve any form of storage work that would affect downstream water flows. As you know, under the Indus Water Treaty, India cannot misuse its restricted allowance for unilaterally building any hydroelectric projects on the Western rivers. And any such project on the Western River is subject to strict design and operational controls, as well as information sharing requirements. So in the absence of formal communication from the Indian side, Pakistan is obviously unable to assess the project's conformity with the treaty provisions. And we therefore call upon India to urgently return to treaty compliance and respond to the queries raised by our Indus Water Commissioner in his latest as well as in his earlier communications about the project that you referred to and certain other projects. So Pakistan reiterates that Indus Water Treaty remains a binding international agreement. The decision by the Court of Arbitration in June and August 2025 have unequivocally endorsed the IWT's validity, and no unilateral decision or defiance can alter this reality. I'll also reaffirm that Pakistan remains committed to peaceful resolution of disputes and issues with India, but we will never compromise on our existential water rights.